It's easy to get started, and we have already built a lot of agents for you in the UiPath Agent Catalog. You can use these as is, or you can customize them to your needs. Let me show you how. Here's a pre-built dispute investigation agent that I can use as a starting point. Let's look at it in the brand new UiPath Agent Builder. This is our new low-code experience to build, test, and deploy agents that don't just work, they work reliably and effectively for business-critical processes. So, what is an agent? A UiPath Enterprise Agent has a few key components. First, I can simply instruct the agent in natural language. I give it a specialized role and a clear goal to investigate invoice disputes. Second, the agent needs some tools to do its job. I've given the agent access to supplier details in SAP and a web browser to research information about mismatched parts. Let's see what other tools are available. Now this is powerful. Agents can use the entire UiPath ecosystem as tools, including activities, connectors, the millions of automations that you have all developed, and even other agents. Thanks to the UiPath ecosystem, nobody else has agents with this rich a toolset. Further, UiPath Enterprise Agents offer you complete control. For example, here I'm letting my agent only search SAP for information, but it cannot make any changes unless I explicitly let it do so. Next, as you would expect, I can give the agent access to enterprise context, so it can refer to policy documents and vendor contracts just like a human would. And finally, we know that agents will sometimes need help. Information may be missing or incorrect, and we want to make sure the agent will not make up an answer. Enterprise agents from UiPath are different because we bake this concept of escalations right into the definition of an agent. Here, I've instructed the agent to reach out to me via the UiPath Action Center if it cannot locate the supplier's email address. Let's test the agent. Here we go. I've provided it with some example inputs and can just run it right here. The first thing it's going to do is come up with a plan based on the instructions I've given it and the inputs. There you go. It's decided to use the web reader tool to look up some more information about mismatched parts. It's analyzing the information now. Note that this plan is dynamic, and the agent decides what to do for every single run using state-of-the-art AI models. It can make multiple tool calls actually. As you can see here, it's referred to the policy documents provided as index, and it's now starting to query SAP, which was also provided as a tool. This is unique to UiPath Enterprise Agents, since it is actually running a UI automation on my machine directly against SAP S4. Isn't that awesome? Oh, what happened here? It looks like it was not able to find the supplier email in SAP, so it is escalating to a human for help, just like we told it to do. Let's go look in Action Center. Here we go, I'm going to hit refresh, and there. This is a custom action app I can fully customize as an automation developer. I can just respond with the email address of the supplier right here, and there you go. And what's really cool is that it won't ask me again. Agents have memory, just like the people on your team. This helps them get better over time. But how do I know the agent actually works well in real-world conditions beyond the simple example we just tried? What sets UiPath apart is that you trust our robots to update your most critical business systems. We are bringing that same promise of trust and reliability to UiPath Enterprise Agents. So right here in Agent Builder, we have built in the ability to evaluate your agent. This agent is interacting with mission-critical systems, and to trust it to do that, accuracy is paramount. Here, you can see some evaluation scores that reassure me that this agent is performing its job well. You can also monitor your agent after it is deployed and in use. You can even save interesting traces to build up real-world evaluation datasets. Now that I've built my agent and evaluated it, UiPath offers a couple of simple and secure ways to deploy it. First, we've made it really easy to just interact with agents directly using custom UiPath apps. I can just click this button right here, and UiPath will automatically create an app for this agent that you can then customize. Second, agents have structured inputs and outputs. This means that you can simply add agents to workflows, just like activities. Let's look at that. Agents work as part of a team with other agents, humans and robots. You can add them to new workflows or to the millions of workflows that you have already created to make them agentic. All the tedious tasks that you could never automate before, like researching, analyzing, or investigating issues, can now be performed by agents.